Lisa.
Cath, can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, so my name's Cath Thomas. I'm a proud Gunaikurnai woman, Gunaikurnai and Kurnai woman. Today we're here on Raymond Island. It's one of our joint managed parks with the Gunaikurnai Land and Waters Aboriginal Corporation, and I also work for parks as a regional coordinator for joint management.
Thank you. Okay, lovely. Thanks, Cath. Cath, can you tell us, we're on a listening pilgrimage with the Wellspring and Iona communities about caring for creation. Could you tell us what that means to you, whether caring for creation or caring for country?
Yeah, so caring for country for us as Aboriginal people, we are, well, personally for me, I feel connected to country. So it's kind of like it's in our DNA to look after country. And, you know, I don't, I really sort of look at myself as a custodian. So when I say custodian, we were put here to look after country. I think it's important that we look after country because, you know, it's part of our, if we're not looking after country, then, you know, we're not people. It's, you know, for us as Aboriginal people, it's at the forefront of what we do, how we think. Yeah, so caring for country is very important. And, you know, for a message to young people in caring for country, like, and for the next generation, like, that's a very important message. Like, if we're, you know, we need to look after country.
Can you give us some examples of what you've done, what you do?
Yeah, so we work alongside land care out here on Raymond Island, and we, you know, we try and re-veg a lot of the bush out here to help, you know, if plants are, you know, there's a bit of a balance. If we're losing plants, then we need to put plants back, you know, for our birds and animals. And there's another thing too I'd like to mention. For us as Aboriginal people, we have totems that are, you know, our that we need to look after, and they're totems, you know, that could mean an animal or a plant. So, you know, if for me, mine's is an owl, and the Pacific black duck. So I need to actually look after that totem's habitat. You know, whether it be around the waterways where the Pacific black duck's found. I need to look after the waterways and what's around that, you know, and the bushland around it. So, yeah, that's why it's kind of important for us as Aboriginal people. We have plant and animal totem species. So I think that's, you know, that's a quite a strong message of how I can explain why nature is so important to us as Aboriginal people, because we have those totem species that we need to look after.
Thank you. Thanks, Cath, that's great.